Hello friends, my name is Hameed. Today I'm working on this Whirlpool washer. The door is locked, there's some clothes inside. You see it's flashing and the drain pump is also running. To fix this, what you can do is you go on diagnostic. While it's doing this, you have to first of all you have to unplug the unit, cool it down for 2 or 3 hours, and then after that, while it's doing this and it's plugged in, go on diagnostic, press this 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. It goes through diagnostic, and then you pull your washer and dryer out, which is the back panel is this one. You remove the back panel, it's held by a couple of screws. They're all quarter-inch screws. So once you remove that back panel, you also remove this only, not both of them, because it's holding the whole washer in place. So once you remove this is your pressure hose. You remove your pressure hose, kind of move it. You may get water from there, it's completely normal. Ignore it, you don't have to do anything. So now you're gonna put your mouth on this hose and suck on it, go back and forth like this. You hear that? The drain pump has stopped working. The door is unlocked. You push this back in and let's go. You're also gonna get an error code. Ignore it, turn it off. You can turn it off or unplug it. So I'm gonna unplug it. The door is unlocked. Do you want to take your clothes out, please? Okay, thank you. So it's unplugged, but the display is still on. It's okay. What causes this washer to get like this is if you're adding too much soap, or if you're overloading the washer, this happens. And that was the reset I showed you how to do this. So be careful to not add extra soap on your clothes, on your washer. And if you add extra soap, this happens and you have to just reset it, and that takes care of the problem. But right now I'm gonna ask the customer to remove all of these clothes from inside, and then I'm gonna plug it back in. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I will have to clear the error code in here. Once you remove the clothes, clear the error code, there will be no error codes after that. And then now what you're going to do is you have to run a normal cycle with hot option. If you can select the option of hot, and I'm just going to show you in a second. So remember, if you have too much clothes inside and there's too much water, if it's filled with water, you need a shop vacuum to vacuum all the water out. How are you going to vacuum the water? Is get to the back of the unit, remove the drain hose where it goes. It goes right here. Remove it, use the shop vacuum, empty all the water out, and that helps. In some cases, once you get rid of this water from inside of the washer, vacuum it really good while the unit is unplugged. The moment you plug it back in, it unlocks the door, and that will also fix the problem. So what I'm going to do is I will plug the unit back in. Okay, so drain and spin, select, and now the drain pump is gonna start running. So I hear the drain pump running, but it's not draining the water. So that also tells me that there might be something is stuck in the drain pump. The drain pump is located in the front, and in order to get to that, there's two ways you can do this. Since you have a drawer on top of the washer, it's almost impossible to remove the drawer, but you can always put your hand inside and turn the filter from here. But make sure to tell the customer that it's gonna leak water. Is it okay if it leaks water? No, no. Is it okay if I get a little bit water leak on the floor?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So you can, again, you can always use a shower vacuum, but since she's okay with it, I have no clue what this ganky stuff here. So I will push this back in. Filter. So when you remove the filter, I have to ask the customer, what is it? I cannot even hold it. And in some cases, you can even manually fill it with a little bit water to see if it's flowing really good. Also, if you put your filter back in there, the drain pump filter cap, please make sure to run the washer for a couple of minutes to make sure it does not have any water leakage. When you install the filter cap back in and you don't pay attention or you don't run the unit, it leaks water, and because of that, you may get a recall back. So at this moment, the unit is okay. It's filling, it's washing, it's draining, it's spinning, and I'm gonna keep eye on it to see for how long it's gonna run. And just to let you know, the customer is using these sparks, so it looks like kind of slimy things that I found from the drain pump. It could be, this could be the problem, but I'm not sure. By pressing and holding this third button, when you went through diagnostic, it clears all the error codes, and then you can turn off your unit. If you can turn it off, good. If not, you can always unplug it to get rid of diagnostic, and that usually takes care of the problem. Okay, so it looks that it turned out to be something really strange that I've never seen. It was not draining, so I removed the drain hose from here that has a clamp, and then I saw a long thing coming off. I think this is also, honestly, I've never ever seen something like this before. So, and it was coming right from here. So to me, it looks like this must be blocked too with shit, with the stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I will use my vacuum in here. This hose still seems very heavy, so I'm gonna have to maybe stick something inside and see what's stuck in there. It's very heavy. So I'm getting this hose outside to see if we can find from inside of this. Is it here?
Yeah, over there, yes.
Oh, in
No,
here?
no, outside. Around the corner.
Okay. And you know what you can do is, there's also another way of doing this is to just hold it and smack it on there. Let's try it now. Ooh, you see that? I'll pull this out from the hose. It's good. It's good. Come look at this. I got this out of this hose. Okay, so what I can do is, I'm gonna have to add this here. The clamp, for the clamp we're gonna need a needle nose plier. The way this clamp is, you have to pinch it in, it opens, and then you can remove your hose. And this hose seems very empty now. See, it's very light. So I'm gonna stick it right here for now, and I can open it because, okay, so the washer is going to get plugged in. Oh, what a shit show. Okay, it's good now. I'm sorry guys, usually I'm not disorganized. I'm not disorganized like this, but you have to deal with it, right? So I'm gonna go on diagnostic. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fill it again. Press this first button. When you press the first button, now you can press this. Oh, it's asking me to press the buttons. So I'm gonna have to do this again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll press the second button, and this lights up. Okay, now it's gonna fill with water. We have to do this couple of times to get rid of all of extra water here. And now it's draining. You can advance it by pressing this spin button again. Advance it again. You can advance it sometimes by pressing this spin. So it's gonna fill with water. See the advance again. You can advance it again. So filling more. Each of these buttons are, it fills the bleach starts, the rinse it, the soap, the bleach, all of that starts one by one, and then press it again. So it goes through each step. Now it's gonna agitate, advance again. We have water there. Advance again. It's much better compared to before. So at this moment the washer is fixed, and I'm confident, I feel confident to tell the customer it's fixed. We have to get rid of some of those, vacuum and clean it, vacuum and clean the area. See, the water flow is really good. And now, because we don't have any error codes, so if we had the error code, you had to go all the way to the end and then press this last button and hold it for 5 seconds, 5 to 7 seconds. That clears the error code. So we are good now, and it should unlock. Once it unlocks, we are good to go. Your washer is good to go now. Okay, and I thought I'll just show you the model and serial number on this unit. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hameed Appliances Repair. Thank you.